Why does your scanner show the P0477 engine code? What does it mean? P0477 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust pressure control valve low. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected lower than specified voltage from the exhaust pressure control system. This often points to a malfunction in the valve itself or issues with its associated wiring and connections. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty PCM or ECM. Electrical issues. Clogged back pressure tube. Defective exhaust back pressure sensor. Poor electrical connection. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge and Isuzu vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.